Hello YouTube, we're going to put the spinner ball on the tractor wheel. See how we spread that apart? We're going to squeeze it together with this bolt so there's enough clearance to get it started. Because that's how I made it, where you got to put on the wheel, you have to spread it apart. I did it with my bare hands. We have a washer so we don't really scratch up the nice polished aluminum, but let's squeeze this down so we can put the ball on. Okay, you see how we did that? It should be squished together enough to get the ball on there, get the thread started. And it's pretty tight. It's pretty solid. You know, I kind of guessed on the diameter of what I had to wrap that around, but we like it over here. We can drive with our left hand. We can run the shifter with our right hand. Or we can just reach over with our right hand. But as we're going through the yard, we don't want it down here. We want it kind of up here. That's the way I want it. So let's get this done. Okay, the ball spins nice, and there we go. There's a lot of play in this because the hole goes through this piece of... The hole that goes through here is wore out, and we just never welded some washers to it. But when you're driving, it's not as bad. There you go. That spins freely. I think we're going to go for a test drive around the yard. We'll let you know what it's like. There we go. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is nice. Well, that's the first time mowing with sharp blades, because I've been mowing over sticks and stuff, so I put off sharpening my blades, but it looks okay.